Maverick with SubieEvents, and today we are coming to you from the York Fairgrounds in York, Pennsylvania. We're here for Boxerfest, and look at all these great cars we got out here. Let's go! Woo! All right, we're just walking through some of the cars as they come in, and there's a lot of cool Subarus here, but this is especially unique. Dude, this thing is awesome. Can you tell me about this? Is it like is it a kit, or did you do it all yourself, or what's going on?
Me and my dad, full roll cage.
Wait, what?
Back. Yep.
There is a roll cage actually hidden in here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yep, 4.5 foot bed in the back.
Yeah. So you like do all the Home Depot runs and stuff in this thing?
Everything.
What about like, is this sheet metal? Did you like do all the sheet metal work and stuff for that?
Yep.
That's impressive.
I'm a welder. So
oh, okay.
Yeah.
You got all the skills and everything to do that. Yep. Well, this is really cool, man. I'm glad it's in the car show.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Good luck.
Appreciate it.
All right, as all the vendors are coming in, all the car show people are coming in, I'm just kind of walking through the paddock, seeing what's going on, and oh my god. That's right, guys, we've got the family huckster, Travis Pastrana's new slash kind of old, but really cool new Gymkhana car. So there's actually some really cool features and attention to detail on this car. So everyone of course knows about the active aero already. That's down right now. What I didn't realize until I saw this car in person is that what looks like roof rails right here is actually aero that's directing air down into that vent. Then of course we've got nice touches, like we got the little Subaru logo right here. We've got, and that's the OG Subaru logo. We've got another OG Subaru badge here. If we come around to the back, we've got the old four-wheel drive badge, and they've even hid a little camera right in that taillight there. That's kind of cool. All right, I see people over here doing the walkthrough for autocross. We're gonna jump the fence, take a walk on the autocross course. What's up, autocross people? Everyone scoping it out. You know where you go, you know where the line is. You know where the line is? You look like you know where the line is. You gonna swing wide and then straighten up here, or you gonna cut it real close? What do you guys think?
I'm gonna go in reverse.
I'm gonna beat everyone in reverse. What's up? Oh yeah. We're gonna walk over here, check out the autocross paddock, see what's going on. Did anyone order the Skittles variety pack of 8.6 twins? Continuing through the autocross paddock. Whoa, 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 whoa. Actually, hold up. Check this thing out. Then we got another cool thing over here.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
Good to see you.
How are you?
Good. It's been a while.
Yeah, I know. Dude, what? Hold on, I haven't shown it to everyone yet, but Factory 5 818?
Yep, 818R. Yep.
R. Special.
Race.
That's more gooder.
Yeah, no windshield, no roof, no doors.
You don't need any of that.
No.
Absolutely not.
No.
So
It makes good noises.
we're gonna see FTD out of this thing today, right?
You know, I got some competition here, let's be real.
41. Wonder who could be driving that car.
Going over. I know that. It's like a Jetsons car. I love it. 2-1-7. That is a tie for first. What is the sound of 600 some odd horsepower? Hell yeah. Beauty. Tied for first.
Got exhaust comp going on back there. I'm gonna tell you that there's a car that I know back here because it was here in 2019 and practically rattled my teeth out. What's up, dude? What's up? What's up? Dude, we're ready. We're ready. We have to move people back.
We're going to need this side to come to take a few steps back, please. From the side, 125.6. And that concludes the exhaust competition. We will figure out how to break our tie at the award ceremony. Join us then, 3:30. We'll see you then.
Oh yeah?
Like this is blue and white wheels.
Yeah, I actually just want to put both seats down.